Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the maths class. In this class, you will learn about the chapter Lines and Angles. In your previous class, you have learned about different types of angles like acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, zero angle, then reflex angle and complete angle. Today, in this class, you will learn about some special pairs of angles. When two angles are related with some conditions, or we can say a combinations or arrangement of two angles is called a pair of angles. So, mainly here we will learn about 5 types of angles. That is complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, and the last one is vertically opposite angles. So let us first discuss about complementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary angles. So let us take some example. If I write 30 degree one angle and another angle if I write suppose 50 degree. So these are the two angles. Now what is the relations? If I add these two angles, then what we are getting here? That is 30 degree plus 50 degree. So if we add these two angles, here it is coming 80 degree, which is not equals to 90 degree. That means sum of these two angle is not coming here 90 degree. So which shows that these two angles are not complementary angles. So these two angles are not complementary angles. So let us take another example. Suppose if I take 30 degree and 60 degree. Then what is the sum of these two angles? 30 degree plus 60 degree is equals to 90 degree. So when the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then that two angles are called complementary angles. So here 30 degree and 60 degree are called complementary angles. You can take different examples. For example, if I write 40 degree and 50 degree, then their sum is coming 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles. So one thing is there, very important point to be noted here, that when two angles are complementary, then each angle is called the complement of the other angle. That means these two angles are complementary angles. Then 30 degree is called the complement of 60 degree and 60 degree is called the complement of 30 degree. Let us see how it's coming. We have just seen some example which are complementary angles. For example, 40 degree and 50 degree. These two angles sum is giving 90 degree. The sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles. We can show it with the help of diagram also. That suppose this is 40 degree and suppose this is 50 degree. Then as their sum of this angle is 90 degree, so these two angles are complementary angles. This can be also shown in this way. So these two angles are complementary angles. Now this is there is very important statement. When two angles are complementary, then each angle is called the complement of the other. That means here 40 degree and 50 degree, these two angles are complementary angles. So 40 degree is called the complement of 50 degree, and 50 degree is called the complement of 40 degree. And also here 40 degree plus 50 degree is equals to what? 90 degree. So in place of 40 degree we can write here 50 degree, we can write here that complement of 40 degree is equals to 90 degree. That means complement of 40 degree is equals to 90 minus 40 degree. So let us take in place of 40 degree, let x be any angle, then x degree plus complement of x degree is equals to 90 degree. So which shows that complement of, so we can write it here, complement of x degree is equals to 90 degree minus x degree. This is very important formula. We can say also that complement of an angle is equals to 90 degree minus that angle. So complement of 20 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 20 degree is equals to 70 degree. Complement of 30 degree is equals to 60 degree. Complement of 60 degree is equals to 30 degree. In this way we can find the complement of an angles. Now there are some important rules, some important properties related with complementary angles. If two angles are complement of each other, then each is an acute angle. This is very true because when we add two angles and the sum of that two angles is 90 degree only if that two angles are acute angle. If you take suppose obtuse angle, we know obtuse angles are more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So if you find the sum of two obtuse angles, then that will not give 90 degree, that will always greater than 90 degree. So for that case, two obtuse angles cannot be complement of each other. And also if we take right angles, we know measure of a right angle is 90 degree. So sum of two right angle will be always give more than 90 degree, that is here it is coming 180 degree. So in that case also we can say that two right angles cannot be complement of each other. But in case of acute angles, there are some cases also there in which it is also not complement of each other. For example, if we choose 50 degree and 80 degree, their sum is not coming 90 degree, it is more than 90 degree. So in that case also these two acute angles are not complement of each other. But we take 40 degree, 50 degree or 30, 60, there are some many other examples are also which are complement of each other. So there are some acute angles. So in this case we can say that the two angles are complement of each other, then each is an acute angle, but any two acute angles need not be complementary. So in case of acute angles it may be or it may not be, but in obtuse angles and right angles they are not complement of each other. Now we will discuss another important angles, that is supplementary angles. Let us discuss about supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then the angles are called supplementary angles. So when two angles are supplementary, then each angle is called the supplement of the other angle. For example, if we take one angle as 120 degree and another as 60 degree, then if we find the sum, then 120 degree plus 60 degree, it is coming 180 degree, which means that these two angles are supplementary angles. If we choose any other angle, suppose 110 degree and 30 degree, then these two angles are not supplementary angles because their sum will not give 180 degree. So the sum of which two angles are 180 degree, that two angles are called supplementary angles. If we want to show the diagram of this two angles, that means one angle is like, this is suppose 120 degree and this is 60 degree. So they will form a straight line because an angle of a straight angle is 180 degree. So this will form a straight line. We can show it in different this way also, that this is 120 degree and this is 60 degree. So as these two sums are coming 180 degree, that means these two angles are supplementary angles. Now when two angles are supplementary angles, then each is called the supplement of the other. So in this case also 120 degree is called the supplement of 60 degree. Okay. Then that means if we write 120 degree, that means 120 degree is called the supplement of 60 degree, and 60 degree is called the supplement of 120 degree, and also 120 degree plus 60 degree is equals to 180 degree. So 120 degree plus, in place of 60 degree we can write supplement of what? 60 degree means supplement of 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now so we can write it in place of 120 degree, if we choose any angle, x degree plus supplement of x degree is equals to 180 degree. So that means supplement of x degree is equals to 180 degree minus x degree. So this is very important formula, that supplement of an angle is equals to 180 degree minus x degree. If it is asked that find the supplement of 60 degree, then we write 180 degree minus 60, that is 120 degree. If it is asked find the supplement of 90 degree, then it will be 180 minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. Also there are some important properties, that two right angles are always supplement of each other, because one is 90 degree, another is also 90 degree. So two right angles are always supplement of each other. If we consider two acute angles, then two acute angles cannot be supplement of each other, because two acute angles measure is always less than, measure of an acute angle is less than 90 degree. So sum of two acute angles cannot be 180 degree. So two acute angles cannot be supplement of each other. Also we consider the obtuse angle. We know measure of an obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. So sum of two obtuse angles is always greater than 180 degree. So in this case also the two obtuse angles cannot be supplement of each other. So only two right angles are always supplement of each other. These are the main important properties of supplementary angles. Let us do some questions, that to find the complement of 46 degree. We know that measure of an angle and its complement is 90 degree. That means an angle, suppose an angle x degree plus complement of x degree is equals to 90 degree. So that means sum of two angle is 90 degree if each one is the complement of, if one angle is the complement of the other angles. So let the angle be x degree, then x degree plus complement of x degree is equals to 90 degree. Here we have to find out the complement of 46 degree. So we will write 46 degree plus complement of 46 degree is equals to 90 degree. So therefore complement of 46 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 46 degree is equals to 44 degree. You can directly use this formula to find out the complement of 46 degree. Similarly, complement of 53 degree is equals to 90 degree minus 53 degree is equals to 37 degree. Now let us do next question. Find the supplement of 120 degree. Two angles are said to be supplement of each other if their sum is 180 degree. So in this case also, an angle x degree plus supplement of x degree is equals to what? 180 degree. So an angle with measure x degree plus supplement of x degree is equals to 180 degree. So here we have to find out the supplement of 120 degree. So 120 degree plus supplement of 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. Therefore supplement of 120 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. That will come 60 degree. So we can directly, you can also directly use this formula, that supplement of 120 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. Similarly, supplement of 30 degree is equals to 180 degree minus 30 degree. That will come 150 degree. So in this way you can try some more problems yourself. I hope all of you understood these two methods, that one is complementary angles, when the two angles are said to be complementary angles, and when the two angles are said to be supplementary angles. In next class we will discuss more pair of angles. Thank you.